Okay, so I just got a mini excavator. First one ever. The task at hand is to give it a wash. I'm gonna get rid of all that built up dirt and grease that are in certain areas. You can see over here. I'm gonna get that all nice and clean. I'll use the pressure washer to clean between the tracks, the undercarriage. It's a nice machine. What do you guys think? I'll also clean the inside. Let me show you. I need a vacuum, some soap, water, a brush, so that I can get all between those crevices, so that I can have a nice clean machine to work with and to learn on. Now this is my first time operating a mini excavator, so I have a lot to learn. If you guys have any suggestions as to how to operate and maintain a mini excavator, it will be very much appreciated. But in all, it's a nice machine. These are some of the things you don't see because it's under the mat. Oh, wow. This is thick. Okay, so that's good. Got most of the dirt out. And we just have to wash it and then probably put some rust primer over it. That's much better. I'll get some metal primer to pass over the rust so that it doesn't get any worse. If you leave it like that, next couple of months we're gonna see way more rust. We're a bit low on fuel, so we're gonna put some fuel inside. Alright, so just loosen up some of the dirt between the switches. I don't want to put water in between the switches, so I'll dust it and then just wipe it down with a wet cloth. Okay, so it's the next day and I'm still in the cleaning process. I noticed some dirt behind the seat, but it's very tight, so I'm thinking maybe I might have to remove the seat. Like that I can really get it clean. So I'm gonna try to figure out how I can move this seat and see what's behind it. All right, let's see if we can probably set it forward. All right. Oh wow. Woo. Hey, look at this. Woo. Got some old rags, or I don't know what it is, but I think I'm gonna get some gloves for this because I'm not touching that. Here we go. I'm just gonna remove the seat. I think it's a 13 mil socket. Yep. Oh wow, you see this? I was only thinking about the floor, but under the seat as well. Wow. Don't worry, we got our trusty scraper. So we got it all cleaned now. Much better than how it was. Got all in the corners. Oh yeah. going to use a needle scaler to try break up any loose rust before I paint it. Alright, so I'm just finished with the needle scaler. I chipped away at the rusty spots. So now we can prep it with some metal primer to ensure that it doesn't get any worse. So yeah, not too bad. Next step, paint. I'm gonna hand tighten it after we come back with the ratchet to secure it. 3 more to go. So I'm going to use some rusty metal primer to treat the rust. Give it a good shake. Then pop it open. Alright, so I just finished painting with the rusty metal primer. This is how it looks. It's gonna definitely be protected for the next coming months, hopefully years, so that the rust doesn't get any worse. Oh yeah. Good to go.